All right, here is the old OTIS elevator at the Graduate in Palo Alto. It's an old, original OTIS elevator. All right, let's take a ride. And we'll go down to B. Wow, this thing is just, it looks perfect, just like this. All right, let's go up to 6. Wow, this is my first time seeing an old OTIS with the automatic gate. As you can see, the company's right here. Oh, it looks like they added like a sensor right here, as you can see. It's a good safety feature. And wow, that logo just looks perfect. It's like cat view of this amazing piece of beauty. Very gorgeous. Oh, you can see also the capacity, 2,000 pounds. Cannot get enough of this. Yeah, all right, now let's go down a B. Here's the basement. All right, let me see if I can do this in wide angle lens. Hopefully this is not too blurry, but all right. Oh, it's being called. I think the janitor is calling it. We're gonna pick some people up. Or maybe not. Alright, anyways, we will end it up at 2. Let's see, I think this is 2. We'll do regular lens. Oh, you can kind of hear the relays too. Just look at this amazing COD. Yeah, so when I came here today, I was calling the elevator and it didn't come to the first floor. But I was told by a staff that this was actually working, so. And then the janitor tried to like fix up the elevator to get it to run again, but. Alright.
Después de, del...
Oh.
Después de aquí,